Hello everyone, Sanbonani, Dumelang, Absheni, Molweni, Tobe.
I remember him saying that he needs to mess up my face.
Now, I don't know whether I should say it's about to get lit or it's about to get messy. Mohale Motaung is at it again. He is dropping skaka after skaka about Somizi. The couple was once married and happy. That's what we believed, but after Mohale came out and said Somizi was also abusing him, we were all taken aback. Recently, Mohale dropped a short clip in his social media platforms that he did with Showmax, and the guy is leaving no stone unturned. He even said Somizi used to tell him that he brings nothing to the table except a pretty face. But why did you do that, Somizi, though? You knew that you married someone who was way younger than you, and you knew he was broke at that time. Mohale also revealed that Somizi once said he needs to mess up his face, but we don't know, hey? There's always three sides of the story. Musa Kaula also took it to his Twitter account. Troops have reacted and they are really debating about this. Why Mohale didn't report Somizi to South African Police Services. Others are fed up of this Somhale story. One trip said, can Mohale and Somizi get back together because now it's getting a bit boring. What do you think about this whole drama, people? Please leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.